Okay, this is Lucas. He doesn't like the washing. He doesn't like washing the machine. So when I open the machine door, he's gonna get the washing out for me. He's a good boy, ain't you? Come in, Lucas. Ready? Here he goes. He's a good boy. Come on, more. Go get more washing out. Yeah, good boy. Go get some more washing out. I could just kick him in there, couldn't I? That's it. More washing. Go on, go get some more washing out. Oh, it's in the camera now, ain't you? Look. That's it. That's Carl's pants. Go on. It's a good boy. Got that towel out, didn't you? Come on, a few more bits in there. Look. That's it. One more bit. That's it. Come on. Come on. One more bit left. Look. Is that it? Have you done it all? Have you done it all? Have you got the washing out? Yeah, good boy. Let's have a look. Ah, good boy, look. That's all the washing. Good boy. There's no more in there. Come say hello to the camera. Oh shit. Say hello. Lucas. Say bye-bye. Oh, don't lick my camera. It's got bloody goo all over it. Say bye. Bye-bye.